What if I told you that you could lose weight without ever counting calories, skipping meals, or going on a restrictive diet? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Weight loss isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Today, we're revealing 10 science-backed strategies that help you shed pounds naturally, without traditional dieting. These methods are simple, sustainable, and best of all, they work. So, if you're tired of dieting and ready for real change, stay tuned. This is the No Diet Weight Loss Guide your body has been waiting for. 1. Eat mindfully, not less. Most people eat on autopilot, in front of a TV, scrolling their phone, or rushing through meals. Mindful eating flips that script. When you slow down and actually taste your food, you give your brain time to register fullness, which helps you stop before you're stuffed. Studies show that mindful eaters consume fewer calories and have better control over cravings, even without changing what they eat. 2. Hydrate before you eat. Drinking water before meals can lead to significant weight loss. Why? It fills up your stomach and naturally reduces appetite. In one study, people who drank a glass of water 30 minutes before meals lost 44% more weight. So before you grab a snack, try drinking a tall glass of water. It's one of the simplest tricks in the book. 3. Prioritize sleep like your health depends on it, because it does. Lack of sleep disrupts your hunger hormones, increasing ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decreasing leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full. It also raises cortisol, the stress hormone that promotes belly fat storage. Just one bad night of sleep can send your appetite through the roof. 4. Walk more. It adds up fast. You don't need to hit the gym for an hour to see results. Simple walking, even just 20 to 30 minutes a day, can make a huge difference. It improves insulin sensitivity, reduces belly fat, and keeps your body in fat-burning mode without intense effort. Take the stairs, walk after meals, park farther away. It all adds up. Over time, consistent walking can lead to major transformation. 5. Fill your plate with volume, not calories. Instead of cutting out food, crowd out junk with volume-rich, nutrient-dense options. Think leafy greens, cucumbers, broccoli, berries, and zucchini. These are foods you can eat a lot of, without eating a lot of calories. 6. Cut liquid calories, especially sugary drinks. Soda, juices, flavored coffee drinks, and even so-called healthy smoothies can sneak in hundreds of calories without making you feel full. Unlike whole foods, liquid calories pass through the stomach fast, leaving you hungry and prone to overeating. Replace them with water, unsweetened tea, black coffee, or sparkling water with lemon. 7. Build muscle without the gym. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're doing nothing. Body weight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, or using resistance bands at home, just 3-4 times per week, can improve your metabolism and help you burn fat around the clock. 8. Reduce stress with purpose. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which signals your body to store fat, especially in the belly. Chronic stress also triggers emotional eating and late-night snacking. But by introducing simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or walking in nature, you can lower stress, regain control over cravings, and support fat loss without lifting a finger. 9. Eat more protein at breakfast. Most people eat carb-heavy breakfasts that spike blood sugar and leave them hungry by mid-morning. But starting your day with protein, think eggs, Greek yogurt, chia pudding, or a protein shake, helps control hunger hormones, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces calorie intake for the rest of the day. 10. Keep junk food out of reach, out of sight. If your environment is loaded with chips, cookies, or sugary snacks, you're going to eat them, especially when tired or emotional. But if those foods are hard to get and healthier options are visible and easy, you'll make better choices naturally. 11. Eat with a smaller plate and a bigger mindset. Portion control isn't about restriction, it's about retraining your brain. Studies show that simply switching to a smaller plate can reduce food intake by up to 22% without you even noticing. Why? Because our brains are wired to finish what's in front of us. A full small plate looks satisfying, while a half-empty large plate can leave you feeling deprived, even with the same amount of food. But this is more than a visual trick. It's about being intentional with portions, while still enjoying the foods you love. 12. Redesign your night routine for fat burning. What you do before bed has a massive impact on your metabolism. First, aim to cut off food 2-3 hours before sleeping. This allows insulin levels to drop, which encourages your body to burn fat while you rest, instead of storing calories. Second, create a relaxing wind-down ritual. Dim the lights, avoid screens, and limit late-night stressors. Third, keep your bedroom cool and dark. Cooler environments actually encourage brown fat activation, a type of fat that burns calories to maintain body temperature. 13. Optimize your morning with natural movement. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day, especially when it comes to weight loss. And no, you don't need an intense gym session or a full-body HIIT workout to start burning fat. What you really need is intentional movement. As soon as your day begins, the body is naturally more insulin sensitive in the morning, and even light activity during this time, like a brisk walk, yoga stretches, or cleaning up the kitchen, can significantly boost your metabolism, improve blood flow, and trigger fat-burning hormones. But there's more to it. Morning sunlight exposure, even for 10 minutes, resets your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that controls hunger, digestion, and energy balance. 14. Practice mindful snacking. Not mindless eating. Snacking isn't the problem, it's how we snack that's sabotaging progress. In today's distracted world, most people snack while watching Netflix, scrolling through their phones, or driving in traffic. That's mindless eating, and it disconnects you from your body's natural hunger cues. You end up overeating without realizing it, not because you're hungry, but because you weren't paying attention. Now imagine this instead. You choose a nutrient-dense snack, like Greek yogurt with berries, a boiled egg with sea salt, or a few dark chocolate squares with almonds. You sit down. You don't have to starve yourself or follow a strict diet to lose weight. In fact, by making small, powerful changes to how you eat, move, sleep, and manage stress, you can create lasting weight loss without ever feeling deprived. This isn't about restriction, it's about rebuilding your lifestyle in a way that works for you. One habit at a time, one change at a time. No diet required. So take the pressure off. Start with just one tip from today. Maybe it's walking more, or sleeping better, or drinking more water. Because when you stop dieting and start living better, the weight starts falling off.